One of the last weddings my husband and I shot before having kids was at the now closed Bissinger's Carmel Room, so it just seemed fitting to have the last day of 21 days of indoor play be at the Chocolate Factory. This is a free guided tour that takes you right onto the factory floor. It lasts about 20 minutes, which is a perfect length for those with shorter attention spans. And yes, everyone gets a sample of chocolate at the end. It smells absolutely amazing the moment you walk through the doors. And if you like finding more places to explore, make sure to follow along because I share all about parks, playgrounds, and museums around the Midwest.